Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Former President of the United States, Barack Obama, continued his tradition of sharing his annual summer playlist. On Monday, he shared a list of his favorite summer songs, which includes dancehall artists, Popcorn's Twist and Turn, featuring Drake and Party Next Door.
Maybe call me I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah.
The Grammy Kid Coffee also made it back on the list this year with the John Legend collaboration Don't Walk Away.
Don't walk away. There's so much more I wanna say.
Bob Marley and the Wailers are also featured on the playlist with their track Could You Be Loved. Jamaican producer Easy Beats was also recognized on the album for his work with Georgia Smith and Burna Boy with the track Be Honest. Obama's Summer 2020 playlist features a wide range of genres with 53 musicians including Billie Eilish, Megan Thee Stallion, Tiana Taylor, J. Cole and Stevie Wonder. Beyoncé also made the list with the song Already from her new visual album Black is King. The list features performers set to take the Democratic National Convention stage this week. Now, speaking of popcorn, the dancehall artist has landed an international collaboration, this time with American rapper Dave East. The Unruly Boss is featured on the Jamaican-inspired single titled Unruly. The track is featured on Dave's project titled Karma 3, which was released over the weekend. The project is the third mixtape installment from the rapper, who previously released parts 1 and 2 back in 2017 and 2018. Karma 3 boasts 15 tracks and features Mary J. Blige, Trey Songz, and A Boogie with the Hoodie. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.